Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to move a text box in Power BI step by step, and in a way that makes sense even if you're brand new to the program or maybe just dusting off your Power BI skills. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to confidently place and adjust text boxes anywhere on your report page, making your visuals clearer and your presentations way more appealing. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, open up Power BI on your computer. Give it a moment to load, and don't worry if it takes a little time. Sometimes Power BI likes to take its sweet time, especially if you have a lot of data loaded. Once it's up and running, you'll see the main dashboard area where all the magic happens. Now head over to the top of the screen and look for the Home tab. This is your command center in Power BI, and almost everything you'll need to do starts here. Go ahead and give that Home tab a click. It might seem like a small step, but navigating these menus becomes second nature with a little practice. Next, within the Home ribbon, you'll see an option labeled Text Box. Clicking on this will drop a fresh text box right onto your report canvas. Imagine this like adding a sticky note to your notebook. It's a blank space where you can share important notes, headings, or even instructions for anyone viewing your dashboard. Go ahead and click Text Box. Once your text box pops up, it will most likely have some default sample text. Click into the box and start typing whatever message you want to display. Maybe it's a title, an explanation, or a catchy insight you want to highlight. You have full control here, so type in some text that you'd like your report viewers to see. Now comes the part that sometimes trips people up. How do you actually move this text box to the exact spot you want it? Here's the trick. Every text box in Power BI has a little set of 3 dots, what they call an ellipsis. Sometimes this will appear in the upper right corner of the box, but depending on your version or how you've resized things, you might also spot it in the lower right. Take a moment to find those 3 dots. They can be small and easy to miss, so don't worry if you have to hover your mouse around just a bit. Once you've found the ellipse, simply click and hold your mouse down right there. You should notice that the cursor changes a little, signaling that you can now move the whole box. While still holding down, drag the text box to wherever you want it to go on the canvas. Maybe you want it perfectly centered over on the left or tucked away on the bottom. It's all up to you. If it doesn't snap exactly where you want on the first try, don't sweat it, just release and try again until it looks just right. This process is a bit like rearranging magnets on your fridge. Play around until it feels right. But what if your text isn't fully visible, or maybe the box looks squished? No worries. You can also resize your text box by dragging the edges or corners until your entire message fits nicely and everything is easy to read. This way your text stands out and doesn't look cramped, which is especially important if you're sharing your report with others or presenting to a team. And that's it, you've just learned how to move and resize text boxes in Power BI like a pro. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you, please hit that like button, drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tutorials and tips. I'll see you in the next video.